Marsh Tracks was built for a facility for youth riders and for cycling in general, to be a safe area for them to train off the road and away from the traffic. The track's 1.2 kilometres long, and it was at least 4 trips around the track behind a push mower. So you can imagine it used to take him 6 to 8 hours per week behind a push mower to mow the track. Sometimes in the summer twice a week, so it was a lot of work.
Having seen the banks that they've been mowing before by hand, I'm quite taken aback that they managed to do so once, let alone for a period of years. So I can really imagine that the sit-down mower will make an enormous difference.
It's really important because cycling is a way of keeping fit. It's good for people's mental health, and having a safe area to do it. It removes one of the barriers. A lot of people come along and say they're frightened to ride the bikes on the road, but here there's no need to be frightened because all they've got to do is concentrate on riding the bike.